Hey guys, welcome to Wild Hope Homestead. Let's see what we can get up to today. Good morning, chickies. How's everybody doing? Oh, half of you must be late. Right. Oops, we got some grass up here. There you go. Little scaredy kids. Oh, how are you all going? Everybody's getting so big. Look at you. Hey. Where are you going? Hello. What you doing? Hello. What you doing? Little boys are the most curious. Oh, no, this one is trying to tidbit me now. Gotta keep an eye on you. You've got a bit of dominance going on there, haven't you? Yes. He's trying to tidbit me, he's trying to show me where food is, because that's one of the signs of dominance. Trying to feed you. Oh yeah, he does not want to be, oh look at that, he does not want to be patted, does he? Oh, you might be on my, oh crikey. Either going to have to do a lot of work on this guy, or he's going to be on my not to keep list. These meatbird chicks are well and truly ready to move into somewhere bigger. They are just growing so fast. Aren't you? Have you made a mess of your food again? Hey. Oh. It's Labour weekend this weekend, which is a holiday today on Monday. Steve's actually been away for the last 2 days having a guys weekend, so I've been holding down the fort by myself, and now that he's back he's making up for it by doing weed whacking the edges, long grass and the weeds around the edges, and then he's going to mow the lawn. So I'm just tidying up some branches and things that we pruned yesterday and getting things chopped up to put into the compost. So here's what we've got all nicely chopped up in the compost. I need to redo my compost bins. They're really low at the moment because we have ones in the chicken pens on both sides, this one and in the other big pen, so the chickens can get in and scratch around without jumping off and hurting their feet. But I'm redoing the whole compost system when I figure out how I can do it. Probably going to do like a tall pellet cube within a lower bit, let chickens scratch around, and then I can get everything hot composted in the tall part once it's composted a bit. What are you doing? Did you find a mandarin? What are you doing? Oh, you don't miss much, do ya? I'm just trying to get some of the lettuce seedlings pricked out and potted up into 6-cell punnets so they can have a little bit more space to grow and harden off before you put them in the garden, so they can hopefully get a little bit more hardy and not get gobbled up by snails and slugs straight away. I'm just trying to keep an eye on the little monkey who's in the garden at the moment. These should really have been pricked out of their trays sooner, but better late than never. So I'm getting it done now. Hello, you found me. Now we're in trouble. Leftover bits of seed mix or potting mix that I've got, I'll just scoop up and then put somewhere in the veggie garden, because there are probably still a few lettuce seeds in there, so they may pop up in the veggie garden later. This is why we've got little lettuces popping up here in the herb garden. A little bit surrounded by weeds, but that's from just tipping out some leftover mix into the garden. So some more free little veggies. So we got the lettuce seedlings all potted up and a couple of spinach ones in there. They look a little bit sad at the moment, but they'll come back nicely once they've settled in, and they'll enjoy having some more space to grow some more roots, and we'll get them hardened off a little bit before we put them in the garden. If we put them out now, they'd just get scorched in the sun or eaten by slugs and snails, so hopefully we'll give them a bit more chance as they get bigger.